Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is mainly for motivational purposes, and here is what to expect in today's video. I tidied up the kitchen, put the groceries away, and did some cooking. Here, I had just come back from the shops and started with the dishes. After dropping the kids to school, I took my youngest to my mom's place so I could shop and reset without interruption. This is the first video I've recorded since coming back from my trip. I appreciate the love and support you continue showing me, and I don't take you for granted because your support keeps the channel going. I start putting the groceries away. I start with the fridge items and meat. I won't go through everything I bought, but for the meats, I bought some turkey wings and meat which I refrigerate so they don't go bad. I swap bags before placing the meat in the fridge because of the blood on it. Then I disinfect the countertop. I portioned the meat later that night and put it in the freezer. If you'd like to see how I do this, watch the video shown above. I now clear the sink to make room to clean the fruits and vegetables. If you enjoy content of this nature, kindly watch to the end, hit the like button and consider supporting the channel by subscribing and engaging in the comments section. I boiled some sweet potatoes which I had for lunch. My kids don't like boiled sweet potatoes, so I stored the rest in the fridge for the next day. After having a late lunch, I decided to cook dry okra soup for the next day's lunch. For the ingredients and detailed recipe, check out the video linked above. It was getting late, so while the meat was cooking, I had a quick shower and got into comfortable clothes. Then I put the fruits and vegetables away. The meat is now cooked to my liking. I add garlic paste, cumin powder, okra powder, and salt and seasoning to taste. I let everything blend in, turn the heat off, and fold the injera. I wash the rest of the dishes before heading out so that I don't have to do much when we get back with the kids. This video was recorded on a Friday and the kids went to my mom's place after school. If you enjoy my simple recipes and are yet to subscribe, kindly consider subscribing and don't forget to turn your notifications on so that you are alerted every time I put up a new video. Your engagement helps push the channel to a wider audience and more people could benefit from this essential life skill. It also motivates me to keep the channel going. It's almost 8 p.m. so I'll end the video here so I can go pick the kids up. Thanks for watching and see you all in my next video.